Hi guys, Aubrey Wessels here. So let's quickly take a look at how you're going to go and set up your audiences. So basically what we can do with audiences, we can use it to keep track of people that were on our page, that were watching our videos, were interacting with us, engaging with us, and so on. So let's quickly get started. So let's quickly decide what we're going to do with our audience. So it doesn't just go and help creating all the audiences, but you're not having any specific goals set out for them. So one thing that we like to do is we'll run a video ad, and you guys can check out our video ad on one of our courses as well. Just go and check out the right hand corner. The video will pop up anytime now. So basically what we'll do is we'll run a video ad. Then we'll go and get people to watch the video ad, and we'll only go and target interests. So then we'll start building our 3-second view audience. And then we'll start running other ads like lead gen ads to those people because they've already seen us and they already know who we are. Or we'll just go and run another video ad to them to get them to start, let's say, liking us or trusting us a bit more. So let's quickly get started. So here on the left hand corner, you're going to click on the hamburger. Then you're going to go to audiences. Okay guys, so everything is done in the ads manager or in the business manager. So you're just going to go to the menu as I just showed you. So the first thing we're going to go and do is we're going to create a custom audience. So you guys can see here, you can create a lookalike audience. You can save an audience in here. All your audiences will show up in this tab. So let's go and create a custom audience. So then you guys will see all the objectives you guys have here. So you guys can use lead forms. So let's say for one of my other clients I'm running lead forms for. We can go and retarget those people, and let's say they already become a lead, we can start selling a small product to them or something like that. Here's the video one I was talking about. Here's the Instagram account. You guys can go and target people that liked your Instagram account, that liked your Facebook page, or engaged with your Facebook page in the last year, and so on. So let me quickly go and show you 3 to create that will actually be worth creating and using. So the first one is you're going to use your Facebook page. So just make sure to go and choose the correct page, and then we're going to go and everyone who engaged with this page. You guys will see there's a lot of options in here. Anyone who visited the page. This one also works quite good for me. Anyone that currently likes or follow your page as well. But if you guys are just starting out, this one isn't going to work quite good. So let's go with anyone who visited your page. Okay, so we're going to keep it to 365 days. So let's say, like for my instance, I'm running as a digital marketing agency. People just came and quickly viewed my page, or they went and engaged with someone on my page, or a post on my page, or anything like that. And that's good for me. So then I'm just going to name the audience here. So I usually just name it so I know exactly what it is. It's for 365 days, the retention, and so on. So then just hit create. Okay, so then you're going to have to give it around an hour or so. Then it's populating, so just don't be worried about this. Sometimes it can be below 1,000 if you guys are just starting out, so you guys do need to run ads first to get a little bit of exposure. Okay, let's go and create another audience. Custom audience. Then we're going to go with video. Next. Then we're going to go and choose what do we want. So basically, the first one you're going to do is people that watch your videos for at least 3 seconds. Okay, so start out with that one. Then you guys are going to go and choose a video. So then just go and choose your correct page. And then choose the video that you want to run it from. So let's say I'm going to use all my videos. I'm literally just going to go and click all of them. So what's nice about this is as well, so let's say I'm running this is videos that I put in an online course that's in a group. You guys can go and target people on those things as well. So just go and click all of them, and then you guys can just hit confirm. And just rename it here. And create the audience. Okay, so then we're going to go and create another audience. Facebook page. Okay, then everyone who engaged with your page. keep it at 365, then just rename it so you know what it is. And create the audience. So this is the three that I would usually use. This one, that's page engagement. Usually it works well because it's people that actually like something or interacted with your content. So you can use that, or you can just keep it literally to these two. These two work great. Page visits and like video. But page engagements also do is, so let's say you're running an ad to people that saw your page and so on. Just go and use both of these, because let's say you're running an ad and someone engages with you but they don't go to your page, then they're going to show up in this custom audience. So create these three custom audiences. You guys can go play around with this. You can move this to a 10-second one as well. You can move this one to a shorter time. So let's say your selling time is in 90 days. You can move this to 90 days. This one as well. So go play around with this. But this is actually a good one to start. And so let's say you are running a new video and you want to add it in here. All you can go and do is literally go and click on it. And then you guys can just hit edit. And then you guys can just hit edit videos, and then just go and select the video that you wanted, the new video, and just hit update audience, and it will automatically add it in here for you. So you guys can just remember, give this around an hour or so, hour or two, because it's populating and so on. Just refresh the page every now and then. And then when you guys are going to create ads, so let me quickly show you how that looks. You can then go and select your custom audiences. So when you get to this step in the ad, you're just going to scroll down. Just make sure you're on the correct page as well. When you get to audiences, you can literally go and collect your audiences. So then you see it'll show up right there. Then you guys can just go and click them. Just make sure that they are finished populating before you go and set up your ads. Okay. Alright guys, so that's it. It's really simple to do. So this is a really effective tool to use. So usually what I do is, if I'm starting with a, let's say, new client or so on, I'll do a lot of tests. But for me, for Wessel Media especially, let's say running just lead gen ads usually don't work that great, and I don't get it like cost effective leads. So I'll run a video ad first to go and get some branding and start collecting in my audience, and then I'll run a second ad to those people that already watched my video to then go and collect their information like on a lead form and so on. Okay guys, so go and enjoy, play around with this stuff, go and test a lot, and that's how we go and create audiences. So if you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and you guys are going to see a lot more videos just like this.